Like coffee, tea, or...
Yeah.
Sure, yeah. Just 1 second. Yeah. Nice one. See you next time. See you. Nice one.
How are you, man?
What are you doing?
Sorry, but
Probably too long, so when you cut this, it's gonna look weird, but we'll see.
last time we talked, so
Okay.
I'm gonna take today.
Like a little bit off the top, yes.
It's better to start with the top because I can see and
Then,
I
yeah.
can see again the nice shape. I want to see the shape. You know,
Yeah, yeah.
how it's their hand. You know?
Big, that's the shape.
So the size, I'll take this small
Yeah.
here. Okay, no, not too short.
It will grow back even if you cut it too short.
Yeah, it's good. I don't put it at 0. Yeah. So how's life with you today? Good.
Not too bad, not too bad. I'm getting a haircut, I'm getting out of Dublin for a week to go to Rome.
Oh, Rome, yeah.
Yeah. Girlfriend has lived there for a few months now.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
So,
Yeah. Anyway, the English is not that hard to learn.
no, it's not too bad.
I mean, like different, like German or maybe
Yeah.
or something like that.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. It is nice though, they're very easy going, you know?
Yeah.
It's not like you go over to England and everyone's...
Are you a teacher, yeah?
They haven't, I've got to study again teaching,
Okay, I guess so.
so... I have to wait for all of the undergraduates to come back, start dealing with them.
How are you, friend?
Grand for yourself.
Ah, good. You gonna go to the bank today?
Going up to the bank today? Want me to?
Yeah, I need to.
Yeah, no
you,
problem.
when you.
Oh, tell me whenever you want to go.
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
Like here, you know, when it's how many here when it's 10, 12 degrees, something like that, you're gonna go out in short and t-shirt.
Yeah, exactly. When it gets to 20 degrees here, you're boiling. You know? You're like, well, summertime, it's fantastic. And then over there, they're €2 or €3 buy ticket, so it's not too bad. And because my but no, I've never done it. I'd like to do Sicily or something. Or or up north. I know up north is very expensive. You go to any of like Milan or Venice. I know Venice is supposed to be ridiculously expensive.
You work on Saturday? Yeah, I'm working. And this goes at some time? Yeah,
Okay, for that. We're
I
okay.
know, it's Tony.
Okay.
It's for dry scalp.
Okay.
But it's not Gem. So I don't do product without asking you, you know?
Yeah. Because you know yourself, it's a very dry scalp, so as soon as I put something in it,
No,
yeah.
it's Tony. It's like moisturizer, you know,
Okay,
moisturizer.
yeah.
So that's good to use, like, it's not any problem with your
Okay.
hair. So it's dry. I know you usually ask, you know, if
Yeah,
you want,
yeah.
you know, they can use glasses.
Yeah, it's good to me.
Have you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, a little bit. I'm gonna take it over. Oh, you go now, yeah? you have
I do.